How to fix no internet connection on CapCut on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of Screen Time. Now open the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle off for the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, head back to the main page of Settings. Go to this option Mobile Service. Scroll down. From here, find the app CapCut. Once you find the option of CapCut, toggle on for it. Now head back, open the option General, open the option Background App Refresh. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of CapCut. Once you check these settings, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, another thing you can do is switch your mobile network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and in the case you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can check whether your problem will be solved or not. Likewise, what you can do is open the option of General, scroll down, open the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix no internet connection on CapCut on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.